the challenge of uncovering Samsung's secret to achieving a crease-free fold screen for iPhones. The world of smartphones has seen a significant shift with the introduction of foldable devices. Samsung has been at the forefront of this innovation, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with flexible displays. Their Galaxy Z series has set a new standard, making us wonder what's next for these futuristic phones. One of the biggest issues with foldable screens is the creasing problem. You use it for a while, and that annoying crease starts to bother you. Not just an aesthetic issue, it also affects the user experience. Imagine trying to read a long article, and that crease is right in the middle of the screen. It's frustrating. For manufacturers, this creasing issue is a major concern too. They need to find a way to make these screens durable and smooth. Creasing happens because of the constant folding and unfolding. It's like bending a piece of paper multiple times until it breaks. The materials used in foldable screens are advanced, but they're not perfect. Every fold leaves a mark. Manufacturers are working hard to minimize this issue, but it's a tough challenge. Consumers are eager for a solution. They want a phone that looks great and functions smoothly. The materials used today are a compromise between flexibility and durability. Some manufacturers are exploring new materials, like ultra-thin glass. Others are improving the hinge mechanism. A small change in design can make a big difference. It's all about finding that perfect balance. Samsung's approach to achieving a crease-free experience involves advanced materials and clever design. Their hinge mechanism is designed to distribute stress evenly, reducing wear and tear. But what really sets them apart is their use of a unique folding technology. By minimizing the stress on the screen, they've managed to significantly reduce creasing. The key to Samsung's success lies in their proprietary Flex Square technology. This tech allows for a more even distribution of pressure across the screen when folded. It's a game changer. What makes it even more interesting is how it compares to Apple's approach. While Apple is focusing on durability and robustness, Samsung is pushing the limits of flexibility and user experience. The impact on user experience is huge. Imagine having a phone that feels like a regular smartphone but can transform into a tablet. The seamless experience is what users are looking for. That's where Samsung's innovation shines. It's not just about the tech. It's about how it enhances everyday use. In conclusion, Samsung's innovations in foldable technology are setting a new standard. Their approach to minimizing creasing and enhancing user experience is a significant step forward. As we look to the future, it's clear that the competition between brands will drive even more amazing tech. So, which foldable brand do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. If you're interested in more tech insights, be sure to check out my other videos.